Welcome back, my friends. Welcome you again in my new video where I will tell you how to unlock the lock of your mobile phone like PIN, pattern and password. In this video, you will also know that you will not lose any data at the time of unlocking your mobile. And the biggest thing is from this video, we will also know that how can you remove the password lock of your mobile without any computer and without any data loss. This method is also used in the service center now and you can use it. By doing this, you can unlock any Android smartphone password at home. So let's start this video. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. When your mobile is locked, first of all, you have to fully battery charged of your smartphone so that your mobile will not switched off in the process during of mobile unlocking. If your mobile will be switched off, then all the important data of your smartphone remains in danger being deleted. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile phone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. First of all, you must full battery charge of your smartphone. Then after use the offline mode. In this offline mode, first of all you have to click on emergency call option, and when your emergency call option comes, I am telling you a code and you have to use that code. And this code is, first of all you have to open emergency call option from here and you have to use the secret code. This is offline mode code and the code is *52121*125511 and hash. And now you have to call this code 3 times like this. A pop-up message will be appear in your desktop, so that you have to click on OK button. Then repeat the process for 3 times. OK, and click on OK. After completing this process, the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode. Meaning now the flight mode of your handset has to be activated. First of all, clear the call log from here and open the shortcuts menu. And this is the airplane mode. I have already activated the airplane mode. With activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have to complete a stage, and now you have to take a new and most important another step here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use that code to open engineer mode also, and this code is *#899 and hash, means *#899 and hash. And as you will by clicking on the last hash button, the engineer mode will be activated in your smartphone. The new pages will be appeared in your mobile screen. The page of master unlocking will come in your smartphone. Now you have to take some important steps here. As you are looking at the number 5 option here, it is named software version. It is showing you the software version option. Now you have to open this software version option, and here you will now see the new the Android version here. It has to be clicked as many times as it is written here. Meaning now you have to click on Android version as many times. If you are showing Android version 10 here, 11 here, 12 here, 13 here, so you have to click it simultaneously 10 times, 11 times, 12 times, 13 times. As soon as this, I have to completed this step. So let's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have to completed this step. As soon as this process of yours will be completed, now you have to come back from this page. After this, now you have to click on the option above it, that is a manual test, on the number 4 option. You have to open this option also. Now some new pages will comes in your smartphone. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swapping it from the side. And now you will be seeing total five options here. You have to work in this very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version or mainboard version 9 times. So start this process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. You have to open it for fourth time. Yeah, you will be asked when you open it for the first time, you will be asked to confirm it or cancel it, but you don't have to confirm it. First 3 times you have to click on cancel button. Second time also the same process. Third time also do the same process. But in the fourth time, you have to open it and click on the OK button. Now you will see here your mobile password has gone to reset mode. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will be completely unlocked. Now you have to go back to the device debugging page from here. And this is the device debugging page. Yeah, and here you will be seeing many options here, but you have to find which is named sensor self-test and calibration. Now you have to open this option also, and now you will be seeing many options here, like 1 option, 2 option and 3 options. Here all the options are in default not started mode. You also see that operation not started. You have to start it automatically by touching it like this, and you have to click this operation not started until you see test passed message. Yeah, this process has to be repeated modely. Yeah, you have to watching test pass message. And friends, here is the test pass message comes, but then if your pass message has come, then your work is done. But if you still don't see a pass message here and the error message, failure message is coming, so understand till now your pass will not come here. We'll keep doing this process again and again and again as you see test pass message here. By the way, you will click on the home button here for checking purpose, and you can see that your mobile is unlocked and there is no any photo, video and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock any Android smartphone like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, Sony. If your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment so that you will be able to unlock your mobile phone by doing many methods. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching, friends.